go. Yeah, so my little man is 9 months old. He's taking up my whole couch. And he loves his pet toy, don't ya? Where is it? Hey. Spoiled baby. Spoiled, aren't ya? Yeah? Spoiled. So he is 9 months old bloodhound puppy. He's getting so big. Aren't you my boy? Yes. Aren't you? Eh? Beautiful boy? Yeah. Look at your toys. Your toys. What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? You're on the couch, my good boy. Yeah, look at you. Absolutely beautiful baby. Aren't you? Yes, absolutely beautiful. And my little man decided that he is a human today. And he is going to sit on the chair. Aren't you? Look how big you are. Come on, off you get, mister. Thanks guys for watching. So I've just put together some information about bloodhounds. They are on the endangered list. So yeah, if you have a big property or you're looking for a big massive dog that you just want to love and cuddle to death, then these are your guys. So there's a bit of information there, and spread it around, and let's try and get this dog off the endangered list. Thanks guys, and take care of yourself.